Installing mud flaps on the TX 350 to 2025 year model is pretty easy. These are the guards that go up front, and no drilling was required because the holes are already pre-drilled with plastic anchors along the I guess you call it wheel well lining, so that so you have the flap, and then the material next to it is that lining and the wheel well. So you have these so like that little plastic fixture there is like a pull out component, but the metal, the metal screws that came with the mud flap kit just get screwed in with the Phillips head screwdriver. You don't have to drill anything, just screw them in. And then there is this one push pin under the bottom, that one right there, that gets pulled out, and then you install the flap and push that right back in, but no drilling required on the front two flaps. However, on the back two flaps, and I did not remove the wheel, to just turn them such to get access to them, but on the back you do have to do some drilling. There is some, let me see, I can see this. There's some they're dimples, like little indentations of where the guard will go, and I'll show you on the other side. If you can see, I can try to pull it. There's some little dimples there that exist that you will have to drill holes to get the guard to go on. And on the bottom, there is not a push pin, but an actual bolt that has to be removed. That one right, let me see, where is it? Yeah, that one right there. That one has to be removed. Just take a filler and remove that, and then you put the guards on. So I already did the front ones, and that's the driver's side rear. So I have to do that one, but I have started the install on this side. Couldn't turn the wheels, but like I said, you'll see where those little dimples are on the other side. I just drilled the holes in and remove that bolt that's on the bottom undercarriage of the vehicle. And I would say this whole job probably took me, I guess the back side took more because I had to drill little holes in the dimples, but the whole job probably took me I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. That's for all 4 guards. So if you're brave enough, save yourself some money, buy the parts and install it yourself. Okay.